Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Afshan Sari, I'm your math teacher as you know guys. Hope you all were enjoyed Eid a lot. So here we have to come through the study, we have to learn a lot of things more. So right now I'm writing the topic over here and I'm going to be introduce this topic with you guys. So here I'm showing you the topic is timetable, the timetable of 3. Previously you have done timetable of 2. But right now I am going to tell you the table of 3. So this is, I make the pattern. You have your copy. You have to make the pattern like this, not the same one. If you want to make the cone, make the shape, any shape. In the shape you have to write the table. Make your copy presentable way. Fine. So over here write one thing. Learn and write. इसको पढ़िए और लिखिए. Fine. So over here the table of 3 I am writing over here, but these are the remaining one. Fine. I have make the pattern of table of 3. Teacher ने यहाँ पे pattern बनाया है table 3 का. So here we have to make the table. Previously I was telling you how to make the table of 2. Right now I am going to tell you how to make the table of 3. So here I am writing some numbers of not some number, just 3 numbers with 2 patterns. Previously you have done horizontal and vertical. पहले आपने करा था horizontal and vertical. So table से उसका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. But here we are going to solve the tables. Like हमें यहाँ पे table को solve करना है कि कैसे हम बनाना सीखते हैं. So टीचर इधर एक और चीज़ आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रही हैं जो कि आपको रिमाइंड हो जाएगा कि ये हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में टीचर ने करवा दिया और ये वर्टिकल में. सो दिस इज द रिवीजन ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल. एंड व्हाट वी आर डूइंग ओवर हियर, हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, इस वे में टेबल बनाना सीख रहे हैं. फाइन. व्हेन द वैल्यू विल बिकम ओवर हियर देन वी हैव टू गो ओवर देयर. फाइन. यहाँ पे अगर ये लिखा हुआ है 3 1s are 3, आई राइट ऑलरेडी ओवर हियर. टीचर ने पहले से लिख दिया कि 3 1s are 3 होता है. अगर 3 को हम वंस टाइम देखेंगे सो इट विल बी जस्ट कम वन टाइम, एक ही बारी आएगा 3. If 3 2s are में how we will make the table of 3 2s are और 3 2s are means क्या होते हैं. So I write the number over here 3, एक टाइम आ गया like this. Done. 3 2s are. So we have to write 3 2 times. How many times? 2 times because the requirement is 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So which number it will come over here? 6. If I read this one 3 3s are. अब ये हमसे क्या कह रहे हैं कि 3 3s are क्या होता है. So I was writing 3 times 3 over here. Now come and add with me. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. अब 6 में हमें 3 ऐड करने हैं. So after 6 if we will add 3, so how much it is? 6 के बाद 3 को ऐड करें 7 8 9. So how much it will be? 9. Got it? 9. Now 1 2 3 4. Why I was writing 4 3 over here? Because the fourth one number is 3 4s are. यहाँ आपने क्या लिखना है 3 4s are. जो 3 4s आएगा you have to write over here. But first how you will make the table? आपको 4 टाइम 3 को लिखना है because the requirement is 4 टाइम आपको काउंट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है 3 को 4 टाइम. So you have to do this one. This is the formula of making the table. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. If we will add this 6 to 6, अगर हम 6 में 6 को प्लस करेंगे then how it will be? 6 में आपको 6 प्लस करना है. अब 6 के बाद हम काउंट करेंगे 7 8 9 10 11 12. How we will make the table like this? हमें पहले 3 को 4 टाइम आपने क्या कर लिया, 4 टाइम उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. ऐड करने आपको ये नंबर 3 को 3 से, फिर 3 को 3 से, अगेन 3 को 3 से. नाउ 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So these are the formula of making the table. Now come to the point जो हम table of 3 कर रहे हैं. Come to over here. So now I am going to ask 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Can you see the difference of these number? कि ये 3 times बड़े हैं. 3 times बड़ा 6 है and 3 times bigger than 9 and 3 times bigger this one. सब 3 times बढ़ते जाएंगे. If the table is 3, so we will add 3 with another number, 3 with another number. अगर 6 आया, so we will add 3. If the table will be 4, so we will add 4 over here. समझ में आ रही बात? तो the value will be changed from here. Fine. So this one it will remain. 3 5s are. Now tell me, 3 5s are क्या होते हैं? Do you know? No, you don't know. How you will know? Because first time you will learn this. So we will make the table over here. हमें 3 5s का table बनाना पड़ेगा. 3 को हमने कितनी बार लिखना है? 5 times. How many times we will write? 5 times. So I already write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3 I was writing here. Now come and add with me. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. And 12 plus 3 is equals to 15 is equals to 15. So which number it will come here? 15. 3 5s are, sorry, 3 5s are 15. Teacher यहाँ क्या लिख रही हैं? 15. So in 15 you have to add 3 more here. अगर हम 3 are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are, अब 3 6 क्या होगा? You have to make over here. आपने अब ये टेबल यहाँ पे बनाना है. Because you know the things how you will make the table over here. Rough column में आपने कैसे बनाना है. But over here you have to make directly. अब आपने यहाँ directly बनाना है. So you have to plus 3 with 15. अगर आपने लिखा है 15 in this way. So write here 3. Now count it. इसको plus करेंगे अब हम. 5 plus 3 is equals to 5 में 3 plus करो. 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8 and 1 it will come same. Fine. So it will be 3 6 are 18. Same thing you will do over here. 3 7s are, अब 3 7s क्या होगा? So you have to add 3 over here. अब हम add करेंगे 8 में 3. So it will be, अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me 21. So 1 it will be here and 1 it will be here. Then you have to count 1 1 plus 2. It will be 21. 3 7s are 21. अब आपने फिंगर्स यूज करनी है काउंटिंग के लिए. फॉर दीज रिमेनिंग वन, इन 3 के लिए आपने फिंगर्स यूज करनी है. हाउ? 3 8s are, अब मुझे बताइए 3 8s क्या होगा? सो यू हैव टू ऐड 3 मोर विद 21. इफ 21 इज देयर, वी विल ऐड 3. अगर 21 है इसमें हमें 3 प्लस करने हैं. सो हाउ? 22, 23 एंड 24. सो 3 8s are 24. अंडरस्टूड? So now same thing you will do over here. 3 9s are, अब क्या आएगा? अब 24 में you have to plus 3 more. 25 से काउंट करेंगे. 25, 26, 27. It means 27. 3 9s are 27. Now you will learn this one. 3 10s are. अब 3 10s क्या होगा? Same thing you will do plus 3. और you want to write 3 10 times. अगर आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है, so you have to write 3 10 times. How many times? 10 times. तो आपने अगर 3 को यहाँ पे 10 times करना है, so अब आप यहाँ पे 10 times लिखोगे 3 को, like this, in this way. Fine, but we have to do over here. हम यहीं पर कर रहे हैं. How? 3 10s are, how many? 27 पर लगाइए साहब. 28, 29, 30. 3 10s are 30. Done, everyone? So in this way you have to make your table. 2 times टीचर ने बताया आपको. In this way you have to make your table. This is the more easiest part. This is something like different, but the same thing will be do. So now our table has been completed. Now we will read again. I am going to read it, then you can read with me. Fine? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Fine, everyone? So in this way you have to make your copy presentation. You have to make the table like this or like this. Do the practice like this. Do the practice like this. Fine? So previously we have done table of 2. Now we have done table of 3. So you have to do the practice of these 2 tables on your copy or learn it. Fine, everyone? So inshallah we will meet soon with our new topic. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.